No.
Oh, YouTube, my cable tripped.
YouTube, he's lying. His cable didn't trip. He tripped it. Cables can't trip themselves.
Yeah, I did. I mean, yeah, the cable tripped. Nope, that didn't happen. Killed a bit.
Oh, hey, where did you move your stop loss? Because for sure, you'd have it under that.
Yep, that's where I have it. I had it under. So I moved it below this demand that it formed. Moved it below the wick.
Ah,
So this one stopped me out.
yeah.
I was like, nope, I'm leaving this stop loss. Usually Pi will move you to. Pi was like, man, I'm gonna make money or BE on this trade.
Oh,
Yep, you had enough.
I was looking at it. If you took the 5-minute buy, that would have been plenty.
Yeah. They look at the
That
5
5 minute
minute.
looks really nice.
Yeah, I didn't look at the 5 minute. I was for sure it was gonna go up, like, which it did, but man, that's pretty much what has been. The losses it's kind of like February.
Oh yeah, exactly like February.
Every single trade we lost on, we get stopped out. Price went back to price point, then did what we wanted. And then we started moving stop losses. In fact, I started moving stop losses. You left the asset where it was, yeah, and you paid. We would have survived if we left it. That's one of the reasons why I don't like moving my stop loss, because sometimes I'll survive the trade. Once again, emotions.
Yeah. I can't believe what happened during New York. When I woke up this morning and I saw the chart, I was like, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Man, that's pretty much what has been happening. The losses we've had so far. That's exactly what. It's not been given. Like it gives you a slight pullback, tricks you, you get in, and then gives you the deeper pullback and then continue. That's what she's been doing.
I have a question, King.
Yeah.
So, the higher time frame,
Which one?
like the 30-minute and 1 hour, it looks like it's creating lower lows and lower highs, right? If you zoom out.
Because of this high right here?
Yeah, and there's another high on the left.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So go back to the 15-minute. If this demand was not here,
Mm-hmm.
and let's say this support breaks and it closes below, then
Mm-hmm.
it pulls back to this supply, would you take a sell?
Absolutely.
Okay, nice.
I'm pretty much looking for that too. When I was saying we could take a sell as well, but
Yeah,
only
but it needs to break. Yeah,
only if this breaks.
yeah, because it's a demand. We
Yeah.
can't take it now.
And then the low broke the high. It could, right? The low broke the high. This low broke the high. So I'm waiting for until it closes below this,
Yeah, makes sense.
because it could still go back up from here.
Yeah, there's no indication that it wants to sell off. It's
Yeah.
really strong.
Unless it breaks here. This demand's invalid.
Mm-hmm.
Retests. Take a sell.
Yep.
I was even looking for a sell. I was like thinking about a sell up there because the supply to the left, 1 hour,
Is
it hit
very
the
good.
POC.
Yeah, it's a very, very clean supply. Plus, you still have a major high that needs to be taken out, and that's not being taken out. That's why you could get away with sales, even though we have a very strong bullish momentum. But you got to know when to take the sell, because the structure we're creating is not lower high structure. Is creating higher highs, higher low. So you need to be very careful with the sell you take.
Still the beat sold it.
I mean, on the five, yeah. I mean, it trades on the 5, you can get away with it. But 5 or 3 minute or the 1 minute, 1 minute, you definitely will get away with the sell. Because this came down what? Yeah.
I swear to God, when we are in a trade,
90 pips. So
I swear to God, when we are in a trade, like let's say we take a sell or a buy, and we have a bit of a drawdown, I look at the 5-minute, then I open the 1 minute, and once I open the 1 minute, I don't know, like 90% of the time, the trade loses. I think I should block the 1 minute on my chart.
yeah, well, when you draw down on the higher time frame, the 1 minute will definitely, yeah, you go to the 1 minute, you'll be like, oh boy.
Yep.
When 1 minute, man, that's, if you're looking for 10 pips, man, don't stress yourself trading the 15. Just go to the 1 minute and catch your 10 pips a
L'année
day.
dernière, nous vous proposions d'investir dans 3 actions. L'année dernière, nous vous proposions
Especially with
d'investir
gold, you can get it real quick. If we look at this sale on the 1 minute now, just look at it on the 1 minute. Like, if I trade the 1 minute, probably would have taken this sale, because this is the 1 minute. Looking at the 15, I see this freaking gap to the left. At least I know I can take it at least up to this demand. And that's like, what, almost 50 pips.
Yeah, that's like a pullback trade, right?
Yeah. So you can get away with stuff like that on the lower time frame, but you got to know when to do it. Carefully look for it, yes. I feel like if you trade on the 1 minute, I feel like you should be using the higher time frames, like at least the 15, 30 minute. If you're scalping it, 15, 30 minute, those two time frames for confirmation. You should be able to kill the 1 minute if you do that. And focus on the setups with gaps. Gap setup. That's how I would trade the 1 minute. Gap setup on the 15, gap setup on the 30. Take a continuation, use it for continuation, use it for pullbacks. Continuation, pullbacks, continuation, pullbacks. 1 minute.
Yeah, it's same as you use like 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, and then entry on the 15 and 5.
Mm-hmm. But I was even saying just like strictly for gap setup on the higher time frame, or take it only 1 minute. Just gap setups. Your higher time frame is 1 minute, 1 hour, and 1 month for confirmation. Okay. Do I watch how Japanese yen moves these days? No, I don't. Do I think you will hate stop loss? Oh, you're in a sell. And this thing has dropped 90 plus pips. Like, why are you still in it? Your stop loss should be at break even now if you're still in it. And take partials. Because where we're sitting right now, anything can happen here. Anything can happen. Like I said, support formed, high is taken out. Support formed, high is taken out. So anything can happen here. We could come back here, reject, and then go back up. Go back all the way, or come back here, go here, and fall. But what I need is this to break, and then I'll look for the sell. As long as we do not tap the 4-hour demand or the 1 hour demand, I'll look for sales at that point. So your stop should be a BE by now. That's what I would do if I took this and I'm still in it.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say, Liam said on Top Step he took 4 minis, put them in $400 of drawdown. That ain't normal. I was doing the same thing yesterday. Anyone else? No. Oh wait, he said micros. He means micros.
Who said
no.
that?
Liam, near the top of the chat.
On YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
Liam.
If that's happening, man, screen record it, send it into Top Step, you know. The only way that's happening is if, you know, you're buying or selling and then there's like a massive spread. I don't know what you're trading.
Hey man, did I buy yesterday? Yes, I did. Oh, I see it now.
I don't see why that would happen.
Yeah, Liam, you should just do what Wow recommend so that you can show them proof if it happens again. And you should be recording it before you take the trade. That's when you should do it. Before you take the trade. So we're just gonna, cause I don't wanna have too many zones.
On the 1 minute, there's a FU hand signal. Carefully look for it. What the hell?
Halfway say, welcome to my 1 minute world.
Oh God.
If I trade in 1 minute, man, I don't know if I can watch it, man. It's too fast.
Right side, you won't have to watch it for long.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
That's a definite advantage, Wolf, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Well, when did you become a 1 minute fan? Oh, since you started using the tick chart.
Yeah.
You're used to it now.
Oh man, I gotta ban you. Gotta ban this guy. Seems like the same person again. He said like you are nothing, you know, like that same person who keeps saying you are nothing.
I know a guy who takes his who trades the US 30 on the 25-second chart. That's something again.
25 seconds.
Yeah.
He's just trying to be different.
Yeah.
It's like what a random number to choose.
No German 40 today. We're looking at German 40 too. We're watching it.
Oh, is Edwin here?
I said he's not coming back until the 1st tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
If we had no supply here or resistance here, yep, we'll be in these buys right now. But I'm not messing with buys right now.
That's what I was thinking as well.
I already took the buys, but I got stopped out at break even.
Where did you enter, Wall?
So it's on the futures chart. I entered at 24,662.0.
Now 1 minute.
2416?
62.
62.
0.
Okay.
1 minute.
So
You
basically,
got it set up. Should have
entered like
made-
here.
Yep. Wow. I was just gonna do that. 20 pips. Man, 15 pips stop loss. That's a win right there. And now
Went up,
it can
went
come
down.
back down
I moved to
here.
break even after it came back.
Can come back down here because of this BOS here. Quick 1 minute scalp. I'm teaching you quick 1 minute scalp. Support from there, support from here. So you have this here, price could come this here, go back up, and then we could start falling again. Or it could continue bullish. Same thing. You're selling already. 24.14. Wait, how did you get stopped out? You moved your stop loss too soon or something?
Oh, so
Which candle stopped you out? Oh, this bearish candle.
no, this one here.
Oh wait,
it,
you got in here. And, oh, you didn't take partials?
so it went like that. No, I was expecting like at least back to this to take partial.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I was expecting strong bullish momentum to remain, but probably should take him partial since it's London.
Yeah. If this low gets taken out, we're gonna continue to fall on the higher time frame. But if price reject this 1 minute demand on the 1 minute, this should continue to the upside and break this high, and then that should take it to the next zone up there. Are we gonna reject up there, or we're gonna continue to break the highs? We break the highs, that's when we can look for buys. These days feels like we should be sleeping during London session. Asian and New York seem to be more volatile. Yeah.
Wrong.
Thank you, Creed.
Man, Creed is so polite and positive. Are you an AI robot? Are you real? What's going on?
GJ dumped after the news. Oh, we don't trade GJ anymore.
Very real. Okay.
Oh, okay. German 40, what I'm pretty much waiting for now is for German 40. Now that we created this support here, we pretty much created this high. I'm waiting for price to pull back lower, potentially to this one of our demand to take the buys. The reason why I didn't look to take a buy right here, because we do have a demand here, but this bottom wick made it a 50% chance. It's not really, a valid demand zone, let me just put it that way. So pretty much didn't take take the buys, because if you look to the left, you still have this resistance here, and you still have this resistance here. So we need to wait for buys, let price pull back, fill this gap up here, down here to the left with this bullish engulfing candle. That's the gap. Fill it up, reject the demand, and we take the buys. That is what I am waiting for.
What's your outlook after this new Middle East conflict cooking on gold? Well, dead silence, so no opinions.
What is man, I don't know. I was freaking zoned out. What happened? What was the question?
Creed asked, what's your outlook after this new Middle East conflict?
Conflict cooking on gold. I don't know. The last time gold went crazy bullish. I don't know what's gonna happen this time. I don't know. That was the time that was the time Edwin's friend took a Cereland. Gold just kept going up, and it kept hiding positions. I don't know. I still don't know how you can lose $20,000 with 0.10 lot size. How is that possible?
Doesn't seem possible.
Huh?
It doesn't seem possible. Seems like, too far-fetched.
How do you leave your trade to run like that with 0.01 lot size? $20,000.
Oh, I need to ask Faye. Faye. How bad drawdown were you on NAS when you sold it? Like how much was the dollar value?
About $3,500.
What the hell?
God damn it, that's a lot for your
Wait,
size.
wait, did you
I
win?
know,
Did you win
I
though?
know. I lost 1,800 and then came back. I lost 1,800 overall because I had it on two positions, and one went to stop loss at 1,800, and the other one came back to break even and a tiny profit.
Okay.
Man, that's the problem against shorting certain like pairs that they do trend bullish in the long term. It's like indices, gold. It's like if you
Yeah.
look at the chart, they'll never go back down to zero, you know?
Well, particularly when you're dealing with all-time highs, so you've got absolutely no structure whatsoever to guide you to the left.
Oh yeah.
It's like, well, I don't know when it's going to stop. I don't know when it's going to stop. I just figured it had to stop at some stage and have at least a pullback.
Yeah, that's why right now the run gold is having right now, there's a higher chance it's heading for the previous all-time high, the way it's been moving. Now when we get back up there, then you have a higher chance of really leaving the sell for a while and win. Promise you, there's a lot of sellers waiting at the all-time high. A lot of sellers waiting at that all-time high. And gold could break it and be like, okay, I'm gonna just keep going. You think because that's what I did the last time, I'm gonna do it again? Nope. I'm gonna just keep going. That's why every pullback, just look for buys. Which low is going to hold for buys? That's the question.
That's exactly right. And particularly, like, you try that once or twice and it actually doesn't go in your favor. And so it's like, well, okay, then no, I'm not adding any more to this. Even though after the fact you look back and it's like, well, there was an obvious buy there to counteract, to help. Plus when it did start to turn around, I did then enter another sell to come back down, but a very small one just to try to make up a little bit of the difference.
Yeah. One thing that I also noticed is that the losses we've had pretty much since Friday, every single losses, they've all worked on the 5 minute, but they didn't work on the 15. Every single one of them. Even the sale we lost on Monday. Was it Monday or Thursday? I don't think I looked at the sale we lost on Monday. Let me look at that one. Where is it? Where's Monday? Where's Monday? Okay, this is Monday. Where's London session? And let me just use freaking kill zone because that's taking too long. Okay, 29. Okay, right here. Where did we take it though? Well, you remember where we took that sale that we lost on Monday?
Yeah, it was in the chop, right? Oh, yep. So is this the start of London?
Yeah, that's the start of London.
Okay. So we took it like, oh, yep. So it was like here. It was here, right? because of this no bottom wick, no bottom wick.
Oh yeah,
I remember that,
yep. So right. Okay, yeah, we would have lost this one for sure. Well, let's see. Let's see on the 5. Okay, we would have lost it if we take it there on the 15. Because on the 5, probably would have taken it here. Yeah, I would have taken it here, and yeah, it would have been a loss for sure.
What did it go? 10?
Yeah, 10, yeah. It only gave
So maybe
10.
like 9 or 8.
Yeah, up 8. Yeah, so that one didn't work. Damn, even on the 5, it looks like for sure it's going to fall.
Yeah.
Just had to go back up before coming down. Five minutes is looking like this one's to push up more.
Are you sure you're old enough to be trading Forex rehab? This guy's so obsessed with like FU finger candle pattern. It's like, dude, take it easy.
Wait, he said it's forming on the 5. Where is it? I don't see it.
What are you talking about?
I don't even know what he's talking about. Anything can happen here, man. Gold could either go up or come down.
Man, you're not paying attention to what Rehab said. He said obviously it's the FU finger candlestick pattern and it's going down.
Yeah, he said it's going to fall. You know, he's in the trade already, so he has to be sure that it's coming all the way down. Even though that might not happen.
I'm not sure. He said buy hit stop loss earlier. So I was like, man, weren't you gonna sell? Then your buy got stopped out? What? What's going on?
No, I think it said buy and hit stop loss.
Okay. Head and shoulders is the FU. Oh.
Kill the bit is being funny.
The finger strategy says sell full margin.
Remember what I mentioned about the 1 minute? Let's see if the 1 minute gave it. Pretty much. Pretty much. Now, if the 1 minute can break this high, if there's a demand form, the way they're getting for price to pull back for the demand. If it doesn't, it goes straight up, but I think this is going to go straight up. Once, if this high is taken out, in 1 minute, it could continue to the upside. As long as this low is not taken out, which is pretty much going to be this low here. If it does, then this thing is coming down lower. This is one of the reasons why you don't want to take anything right now. You don't want to try it. Anything can happen. 50% chance. You don't want to take trade like that. Yeah, we're in a risky industry, but you gotta be smart with your risk.
GJ went crazy. Huh. Let's see what happened.
Oh, I think there was GBP news today. Wasn't there GBP news today?
Yeah. I think Japan news as well.
Japan news. Okay, yep, Japan news.
Oh, yeah, it's tanking. Wow, it's gone down quite
went
a
up
bit.
Like that. I had to look. Oh,
Quite the fall.
damn. Yeah, you gotta be looking for sales on GJ anyways.
Forget about looking for sales. Just hit the sell button, boys.
I didn't give I'm trying to see if it gave a sell setup down in London. This was London open. Damn, it didn't give a sell setup for supply. Just breakout traders.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we were trading it, we'll still be waiting on it now.
I might buy from here. It's getting real close to that support major.
Goodbye, at least from the 4 hour. That should be, at this point, yeah, just wait for him to come down to the lows. If it doesn't, man, still look for sales. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, what is that? Oh.
We most likely drop down before pushing up. Yeah. That is exactly what I'm expecting. But I also understand gold might not do that. She might decide to push up from here. So because recently, gold, the decent pullbacks has not been working, except on the much lower time frames. The deeper pullbacks, those ones have been working. That's pretty much what has been the issue this since Friday, pretty much, at least for us.
Man, that New York session we had yesterday, it's like, what a fake out. What a fake out.
Crazy.
It's like,
and the demand was clean.
Yeah. It's like it didn't touch that demand the first time. It's like, okay, buyers, FOMO in, and then let's drop it down, tap it. Now we're good.
Mm-hmm. But that one worked on the 5.
Oh, yes, true. Yeah.
Man, we're still in profit for the month, but not a lot. At least for me.
Oh, I'm still good.
The first 2 weeks, man, we was in a row. Pretty much 2.5 weeks we was on a roll until last Friday.
Man, I hope everyone's been, lowering their risk after the, turbulent times. Because I know a lot of people, you're going to feel that urge to up the risk, like Abe.
I've only done it one time.
Luckily, it worked out.
Luckily, it worked out. No, that's a good thing, Gideon. That's a good thing. You're stuck with the rules. There's nothing wrong with having a B a month. At least you didn't lose. If you have a B a month, man, you should be proud of yourself. You didn't lose.
Honestly, for myself, even if I have like, since I journal, like, well, I do a weekly report card for myself. It's like, even if I take a loss, I'll go back and I'll be like, okay, did I follow my rules? Did I trade that properly? And if I did, then it's like, okay, it was a good loss.
Yeah. You're still gonna feel it though.
Yeah, you're still gonna feel it, but you know, it's a lot. It's like the gold loss you took this morning. That's a bad loss, where it's like, fuck, if I just didn't screw with the stop loss.
Yeah. Didn't follow the rules on that one. Because I don't move stop losses.
Messed up today, lost my phase, was up 4% and only 1% to pass, then breached it in one day. Man. Man, the full tilt took over.
It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 and I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies in a group text. 10 years, same team. Got a couple trophies, but no chains on the neck. Got a couple Cardis, we don't flood with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for.
Oh, Jesus, man. YouTube, what's going on? Someone said $30 to pass, took dumb trades, now he needs $200. Then someone said breached 2 challenges on GJ. So, oh man, guys.
Messed up today, lost your phase, was 4% and only 1% to pass. Momentum is not good. Then breached. Man, Asian session, I lost my alpha funded.
Oh. Damn.
Futures. Yep, lost to domination session. Don't feel bad, just do it all over again. When was it? When was what?
Oh, today. Must be today, Asian session.
Yeah, it was yesterday for me.
Yeah.
Yes, I did. My alpha futures.
Man, when times get hard, it's gonna test you so much mentally. It's gonna shake you. It's gonna try to break you. But if you can get through it, man, you're gonna be a changed person afterwards. You're gonna be that much stronger, that much better.
Yeah. Yeah, losses messed your focus, emotions took over. That's what we need to avoid right there. Letting our emotions take over. It's very unhealthy in trading. I do a good job with managing my emotions, but I want to do more. I want to do more. If you're doing so good with managing your emotions, all of a sudden one day you just give in. There's nothing wrong with that. You gave in because you're a woman. You're human. Okay? It's because you're human. Because, man, when you keep having the same temptation over and 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 over again, when it involves money in this game, eventually you're gonna give in. Once you give in, and then whether it goes your way or not, you all of a sudden, oh man, I shouldn't have done that. But it's already too late. You already took the trade. And the crazy part is, that once you get in the trade, you know that you shouldn't have taken that trade, but you stay. You don't want to close.
Man, it's a good thing I was muted. Otherwise, I would have ruined your nice little speech there.
What happened?
I typed it in the Zoom chat.
Oh. How many overs did King use? I don't know what you're trying to say, son. Hey Kimali, how you doing? I still don't know what you're trying to ask me, Sam. The last FOMC, Goat gave a nice setup down in NY. We had a win before FOMC. See if we're gonna have this volume today too. Goat is refusing to move. She's trying to. Sounded like Nelly's song. Oh, what song? Just look at the 1 minute. Oh yeah. Price is ranging. 1 minute pretty much needs to break this high. If we break the high on the 1 minute, we should definitely go up higher. So you have your 1 minute range at 24.19 to 24.16. So anything can happen at this point. And you also have your 15 minute range. So if I want to buy right now on the 15 minute, based on what I just saw on the 1 minute, I could take a buy right here on the 15 minute. Have a stop loss of 50 pips. So if you start crossing that, it should continue. But it's a risky trade to take. Anything can happen in this range. I should do a poll with chat to see what everyone thinks price will head to for news, up or down. Gideon said everywhere. Come on, German 40, you need to come down lower than this.
Long nights had to stay up, put in hours while you laid up. sit around and wait up. I'm gonna have to see you later. Giving tips like a waiter, even tell them all you fade on. I'm in my element, back in my element. 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 I'm in my element, don't care about relevance. I'm doing me, I'm in my element. We the new delegate, tapping and see. Okay. First in the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race. Putting hours in, I cash out. Game time been lit. Been the man, been him. In the box like 9-9. Got pinstripes on my skin. Okay, go mamba all in my zone.
What's going on?
Hear it all in my tone. Worked hard for this throne. You know I'm never lazy. Not the face. See me win, but those L's made me. Hear him talk.
I'll be right back, guys.
The ghosts have been called crazy. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Lot of pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. You know I can't stand still. Sticking to the plan still. No bots on my fans real. Stay true on the man still. Bosses got you bent up.
That's way too dark.
See you in my inbox, but everybody can't come. I worked hard for this, putting hours, got scars from this. No sleep, I just lost in turn, thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my family now, you've been chilling with the party is. Putting reps cause they called my bluff, got one shot to get all these dubs. And we on. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Lot of pressure, I can't let up. Keep my
YouTube, man, you guys didn't see anything. Then my camera was too dark.
I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Lot of pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up.
We need German 40 to at least retest this 1 hour demand here. Good morning, Miguel.
See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big guests on the wrist. VVS is on the neck. Make it spinning, now I'm stressed. When I make it stress. Double back to back. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it all on
Nag-arrange natin, nag-arrange natin. Mag-arrange daw dati. Kaya diba in-inform ko sa group na ano, parang ito yung bit mo na, ilang stop. Alam mo siya magaling sa ano, ng damage. Sasabawan mo.
This pair will sell. You're so sure, Forex rehab. At least you're confident in your trade.
Gagawin ko nga ito, hindi ko pa nagawa eh. So, ano yung priority ko? Gagawin mo na. Pang-delivery, pang-start. Ano na ako, this is update. Or the... Here. Opening your storage.
Still up there.
What's the other head?
Oh, 1 minute is getting close. I don't think we're gonna get a setup this session. If gold doesn't continue down.
Mama sa iyo, kailangan din pa. Kailangan po tayo nagawa. Sabi ko nga, pag na-chip siya, di ba? Mamaya kasi tatawagan ko. Anong ginagawa mo? Ganito naman sa iyo, sartalo. Bakit pa na? Namunguntong ka sa akin, anak ka. Answer ko ay. Tatawagan ko. Anong ginagawa mo? Pagkat wala na yung storage niya, nagka-target ko. Huwag mo yung tanong.
Just did, Sam.
From young OG to the OG, from nosebleeds to floor seats, circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready?
To sell from here, strong resistance. I'm guessing you're talking about in 1 minute.
$1 million out to send me, plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking
come down lower, Jimmy 40. Just keep coming down. Forex rehab is over with. I suggest you start praying. I don't know where your stop loss is, but if your stop loss is above this high, you should start praying now.
Oh. Looks like the FU candle is gonna F them.
I'm in this buy from the 5-minute closure.
Yeah, okay. It's just a risky buy. That's why I'm not in. If not,
only on my challenge. I had my confirmation here on the week.
Yeah, I took that based on the breakout retest. The 15 minute.
1 minute closed above. 1 minute could give another pullback and then continue. This supply though, what are we going to do over there once we get there?
This breakout, essentially.
Oh, you just took buys in this candle?
I took this buy in this candle.
Oh, that candle. Oh.
Yeah. So as soon as we broke above there. This breakout here, this was enough for me to wait for the retest here and then to continue up. That was what I was looking at essentially.
I wasn't looking to take it from there. Oh, you can delete this now.
Yeah. Where's my delete tool? No, it's not allowing me to delete.
Okay, I'll do it for you.
Yeah, sure. Thanks. No, my delete tools at the left. That's not there.
Yeah, it's to the left.
Alright.
I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and my only know it takes time. You can get it. Got no worries, I'm gonna make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make.
Look at the massive drop. Yes, the massive drop in your P&L.
Depending on where his stop loss is, he could still win though.
Yeah, it's true. He never said where his stop loss is.
There's no guarantee that this demand is going to work out. Like, you could tap that supply again and you could even reject from where we are right now.
I mean, the 1 hour demand would have been better.
Yep, that's the one. That's the one I was waiting for.
Yeah, 1 hour would be better, but I think
yeah, God has taught me enough lesson.
Based on this, based on the retracement, we didn't go that far down.
Enough lesson with the slight pullbacks.
Yeah, it's a light pullback. I'm almost 20 bit.
But honestly, if we had this setup that we have, if we had it like right over here, pretty much if we didn't have this supply here, yeah, I would have taken this bias. I would have though. But the fact that it's coming off a supply, nah.
Yeah, it's risky because of the 1 hour supply. I think the continuation is quite strong on the higher time frame. You know, like the 1 hour, looking at the 4 hour, you know. That bullish continuation should be still working out.
We might get it set up on German 40 instead. We just gotta keep waiting right now.
Almost on the 4 hour, we got almost like a breaker structure, essentially putting us in buys position.
If it flips, and the 4 hour is about to close on Forex. Since you're in buys, hopefully the new 4 hour on Forex does not flip bearish to continue down. But structure wise, now you still have the bullish structure going. This is the high. We've created the support here. You'll be expecting this support to eventually break this high for price to continue.
Yeah.
Structure wise. But where we're currently at right now is very, very risky because technically you still have a overall bearish structure on the lower time frame. So there's also a chance this could fall. So what you want to make sure of is just to wait for a deeper pullback. Between 24.25 and where this 1 hour demand is, you have this is a high chance demand right here, lower chance demand here, and you got of course, even on the 15, higher chance demand here because you got aggressive buying. This one not so much, and then you got this aggressive buying also as well right here. The stronger the candles, the better, pretty much.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Somebody just hit TP.
As me on futures.
Okay, nice.
Kill the beat to everyone. Beautiful.
Staying in Forex.
Gideon, stop it. You're trolling. Gideon, you're trolling. Good morning, Tony.
Head of the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash in the dinner place. I go, I zoom, accelerate. I cannot be bought at some bargain rate. I got on my bacon, my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watching demonstrate. I ain't no special, my tidal wave.
Oh, what the hell is YouTube even talking about? It's like they're having their own little random conversation about smoking.
Kill the beat to everyone. Be right.
Wait, was that
What was that?
Was that Chinese?
I don't know. Well, I don't think that was Chinese. Sounded like English. I don't know what it was though.
All I know was I had killed a bit and some Chinese sentence.
Oh no, that's so for instance on my Zoom, it's got like this voice recording thing, so everyone types in. It actually it actually repeats what he's saying. I don't know how to get it.
Oh, okay. I knew I had killed a bit's name.
Oh, okay.
Unless
It's like those accessibility feature, right?
Yeah, this guy's looking good.
I think I have it too.
Your second sell entry is now. All right. Best of luck.
Even if gold breaks the highs, I don't think we're gonna get it set up because we still have to wait until we get out of this 1 hour supply. Pretty much break above 24.32. And if it rejects the supply again, I'm not taking sales.
There's so much news today as well.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to wait until after 2 hours, pretty much 2 hours after NY open. That's why we're starting late today. We're starting at 8 my time, so an hour late. So we won't have to be waiting too long, or we might even start at 8:30.
Kill the beat to everyone. Smiling face with sunglasses.
Smiley face with sunglasses.
Oh no, kill the beat, no.
Do it again, J. Smith. Do it again. With the new emojis.
Kill the beat. Shit on everyone.
Lol. Oh no.
CPI news for Euro and look at the XY.
Eisen 9 to everyone. Nothing happens.
When is Euro news?
Oh yeah, Gideon.
Oh,
U.S. news affects everything. DAX, everything.
Euro news shouldn't affect DAX. Is it affecting?
No, U.S. news.
Oh yeah. But he sent CPI news for Euro and look at DXY. That's why I want to see what he's talking about. I mean, it's not doing anything. It's just falling.
Eisen 9 to everyone. DAX. Kill the beat to everyone. DXY is a distraction.
Yes, German 40. Come down. Keep coming.
So much news today.
Yeah.
So, no fun.
So our trade this session might be German 40.
Pip has joined the meeting.
Is that mine on record or is that somebody else's then?
Oh, that was not you?
Well, I don't know. Let me just turn
And
it
that's
off.
1,000% you.
I was gonna say, if you hear any distorted kind of responses on my Wi-Fi has not been changed yet. I was away, so everything arrived and I wasn't there.
I should have access to this.
So if it's distorted, then it's mine. But if it's not, then the reception. Let me just see how to take it off.
I'm trying to see if I have access to it.
Forex rehab, please stop trying to send signals to the group.
The moment you said that, he's like, sell and hold.
I know. It's like, yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, man. I was just waiting for him to say, sell and hold, muchachos. All right, Anton, all right.
Anton in disguise. The return of Anton.
Kill the beat to everyone. Burner account.
I guess I don't have it.
Kill the beat to everyone. I have a voice now. Kill the beat to everyone. Lol.
Gold will hit all-time high today. Oh man, man, I want to take that bet.
Oh, Abe. Apparently, I'm just reading the chat. Apparently, Wix was inviting you to have a smoke with him.
Who?
It's weird. It's like a random chat in the YouTube.
Me?
Yeah, apparently. Oh no, Sam Kazi. Sam Kazi? Who's Sam Kazi? Man, this is confusing.
What invited me to smoke with him? When?
I don't know. I think it's just Sam and Sam Kazi. I think they're having their own like conversation.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So random.
don't smoke around kids. Wow. Okay.
Abe, you waiting for the 1 hour demands to be tapped in German?
Yes. Man, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. It's getting close. Well, please take over for me. I'll be right back.
All right. Yeah, Gideon. YouTube chat is a little extra special today.
You know, we got voiceover conversations and everything. I don't think it's going to tap this demand.
No, don't worry, Sam. You and Sam can have a chat. All welcome here. We welcome all Sams.
I mean, this demand's going to get tapped and then it's just going to shoot up. Literally.
I've worked out the right lot size to use for this now. that one lot I did yesterday was pathetic. Sam, are you and Sam from the DVS community? You're very, very welcome, but I just wondered if that's where you were smoking with Wix.
I wonder what. Wonder how they've been performing lately. Don and Wix. I never get recommended their videos anymore.
No, I don't, interestingly. But I tell you what I did see. There's a guy who, similar to us, the sort of trades we've done on Zoom in a private channel, called Kieran. And he's with Alpha now. I just noticed that he passed a couple of challenges and
Nice.
Which I thought, okay, cool. I don't think it's just us that are having a bit of a yo-yo month.
Morning, Samuel. They have been shadow banned, unfortunately, the YouTube Matrix attack. Man,
Don't set wall off.
man. Like,
Hold him back.
I'm all for a conspiracy, but damn, that, man. I don't even know what to say about that one. That's a little step too far down the rabbit hole.
Did he say it was to do with copyright music?
Oh, and that makes me wonder. Like, Don always gets copyrighted. You would think that at some point he'd just get straight banned. It's like, how many times can you do that before they just like drop the hammer on you?
There's the tap.
Just thought if Donvo trades are 100 plus SL to 10 pip TP, it might be profitable to trade against him with a SL. Nah, you'll get stopped out all the time because price fluctuates too much.
German thought he's just tapped it and that's it.
Yeah. Wait for that to close now, and then
literally just tapped it.
Nice bearish rejection.
Yeah, I'm in. No, I'm just joking.
Wait for that closure, and then.
So you guys waiting for the 30-minute the next candle open, or are you just taking it? You just take it from there.
Only if it gets to entry, so I want to see this bearish rejection that we're seeing now, and then take it on the break of the high. But this candle's got to close like this.
Yeah.
And it has, which is good. And then
just 15 minutes. I think we'll fill this. Probably might fill this candle and then continue up.
Yeah, not the strongest rejection in the world.
Yeah, I think it's enough because we're still respecting this trend, lower trend.
I'm just wondering if Abe would have entry there or there.
Nah, he'd have it at the break of that candle, the second entry you put.
Yeah. And then we're gonna have stop loss somewhere down here, guys. Okay.
So 40 pips, yeah, or 20?
Oh, the screen. Oh, here we go. Did I get it right?
There you go.
There we go.
Is that 15? I don't know if that's a strong enough rejection candle though. I think we might. I literally knew we would tap this. Still restricting this kind of trend, right?
Yeah, pretty
This
much.
trend. Pretty much. Sorry, I didn't mean to write on you. But yeah.
Wix never had a copyright issue. Still shadow ban. I don't know. I don't know how the YouTube algo works. Many times trades go into drawdown of 50 to 60 pips. Yeah, that may be true, but you know, your stop loss of 10 pip, man, you're gonna get stopped out too much. Maybe if you did like 100 pip stop loss and then you know, closed out at 50 to 60 pips when he's in drawdown or something like that, you know?
Beautiful.
68 pip stop loss? What? Abe never does a number like that. He's gonna fix that up.
I'm still
70 pips.
Oh, Gideon, so close. So close.
I just want to give a shout out to Gideon as well for taking that Asian trade. Take on your own. It was exactly our entry as well, so that was good
it
shit.
must have been in drawdown too.
Yeah, he suffered with us. Good shit though, man.
Command +8 to unmute your microphone, or press and hold the space key to temporarily unmute.
Misty on MT5, I have it as German 30. That might be the same for you.
Ox Securities MT5. What's German 40 called? Oh, damn, Abe's not there.
Wait, you said what?
Ox Securities, you used that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's German 40 called for MT5?
Search for DAX. every
Eddie to everyone.
broker is,
Who knows
every
how to
broker
close
is
partial on
different.
TradingView?
Might need to mute that, Jay Smith, my friend.
Oh, damn.
King. Hello, King.
Yes, yes.
You wouldn't believe what happened, right? Just a few minutes ago, I just received an email from Alpha Capital apologizing that they made a mistake. That they made an error in breaching my account. They want to rectify it, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Well, I don't know. This is just crazy, man.
So what happened?
Remember yesterday when I told you about how they said something happened with my KYC, where they made up some story. Now they sent an email apologizing in regards to that.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
So they fixed it?
Well, more or less, yeah.
Oh, okay. That's dope. So you don't need to wait for your money back. Do you? Because they pretty much give it to you, huh?
Yeah, you know that. On top of that, the funny thing is they actually refunded me my money via crypto yesterday.
Oh, wow. That's dope. Yeah. Doesn't look like, what's it called? Alpha Capital is shady. Misty, did you find it? If you search for DAX 200 Papa Family, you'll find it. But OX Security didn't change theirs to 40, so it's still 30. Let's look at gold. You think this thing is going to continue pushing? This is why you really don't want to trade this range right now, because it's coming from a supply, and technically the lower time frame is really still bearish. So, but we have a very, very strong bullish momentum on the lower time frame. Very clean supply to the left. Just gotta wait for a breakout or for price to come down lower to take buys. Anything can happen in this range. You're a seller today. Talking about gold.
Hopefully I'll take off that stupid thing.
save a bag to spend on rainy days. Diamonds for my bay, those type of things. 10 a.m. You're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved what it is. Okay. Hold up, wait a minute, let me say something. How could you be stagnant when it's bass thumping? Cause she threw the hoop and I grabbed it and dunked it. My game comes to me, no, I'm not forcing nothing. I'm on go mode, please don't wait up. Me plus motion, that's a layup. Pick and roll, give and go. Take it, finish strong. Night after night, remember when I would stay up. Fight after fight, knocked down, but I found a way up. No picking sides, I got my friends, down for the ride, far from the end.
I'm going for 50%. Yes. We take it by. I'm going for 50%. Now, depending on the volume, once we get in, I might get it at 20.
Who's going to fill this wick somewhere here?
That's a lay. Take advantage of my time to get a payday. I've been to myself, I've been out the way. If I'm not with the kids, me and Tay-Tay. Spend a bag, get a bag, that's a routine. I go north, cross the border like some poutine. Growing up, I had hoop dreams, still be on the hoop scene. But I turn hoop dreams to boot dreams. And look, we made it. Still do more numbers than the ones who got famous. Hear what I'm saying? I could take a cookie cutter system and go bust it down and bake. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. Not check west, but I'm getting really rich.
Hey, would you shorten your stop loss on the next candle or not? No. In general.
Yeah. Whew, 30-minute close with no bottom wick.
Take a loss and I'm not stressing it. The money works for me when I invested it. What you step in, not what I'm stepping in. I cannot be dressing up the mannequin.
Still have stop entry above the previous candle.
I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. What's up?
65.
I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, on the track, man, get it back, man. In the fast lane, with my feet up. Remember bad days, when no cash came. Check the bag, man, see the re-up. Never bought me, always fresh, had to get it off the raps. Now I'm on a trip with my little ones. Keep it coming, we the best, I can never look a mess. I impressed and I watch the paper still come. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we up, got my funds up on the 1-1. I believe that for my loved ones and my son. I go down, you don't see that. Put it now like the rest. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I know I never fold when it slows down. Had to get it on my chest, I don't hit the disrespect. Do it for the one who knows how it goes down. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now. I didn't come here to play. I didn't come here for games. I stay away from these lanes. I didn't come here to play. I didn't come here to play. I didn't come here for games. I stay away from these lanes. Me, I just stayed in my lane. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies in the group text. 10 years, same team. Got a couple trophies, but no chains on the neck. Got a couple Cardis, we don't flood with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. It's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted, fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up all night. Yeah, limited edition, not the regular one. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bro. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, SOS, oh. Please fill my cup.
The plus will be 65 pips if we take this trade.
Myself in these dark rooms and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with you. Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottle on. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado.
Oh, come on, YouTube. Can we get 100 likes? Get 100 likes. And this will get to entry.
And once we get to entry and 100 likes, don't forget to keep liking because we need to hit the TP.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless.
Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another boy, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottle on.
I don't want to start a conspiracy theory, but I feel that our losing streak started when Gideon left. I'm just putting it out there.
Let's get Gideon back as quickly
Get
as
him back.
possible. Get him back.
Gideon, you jinx us.
Yep. What didn't you do, Gideon? That should be the question. Wall, you break even now?
He's already in.
That's why he's so quiet.
No.
You should ask Wow or Faye.
You should ask Faye. She's probably like already secured 300 pips, even though it didn't move that much.
Faye,
No, I've
Faye's-
been patiently sitting tonight. Patiently
Okay.
sitting.
Faye took it on in 1 minute.
I took an early one on the 1 minute and it hit a very small stop loss, so I'm just waiting.
Okay.
Oh,
That was
okay.
on gold. That was on gold.
Oh.
Buy? Sell?
I buy, yeah. And I took a phone call and
Oh no.
and yeah, wasn't concentrating, so instead of closing in some profit, it went to stop loss. But it was only
Oh,
10
man.
pips, so
You probably
hate when
entered
that
at the
happens.
same place I did. Sorry, Pi.
but I think it was pretty much the same thing.
She's an Aussie. There she is.
She's proper Aussie, not like Wall.
I don't know. Pi, I was born in your country.
Were you? Ah, take it. Brilliant. Whereabouts?
In a small place called Mills near the Welsh border,
Oh, great.
Herefordshire.
Awesome. Yeah, I know where you are. Oh, wicked.
Just be well aware, you know, Australia was colonized by convicts, so you know, you know, don't mess with Faye.
I did. I had a convict great grandfather, I think it was. Yep. Built himself up to be a very esteemed gentleman, apparently. So that's good.
Excellent.
Oh, nice.
Man, Goldie, typical Goldie. Just going for the sellers. Possibly.
That thing tickled my stop loss in Asian. Honestly, man.
And she waited for you to close too, and then bam.
I followed it all the way. I switched to the. Man, I must have been delirious because I was just switching between like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 30-second. Being like, okay. If that just closes above there, I'm okay. Okay, that's gonna break above there. Okay, we're good. And then I got like 8 pips profit closed. I was like, oh great, I got out of that. And then it just flew. Absolutely flew.
We went to the moon after that.
Oh man.
It's just like New York, the same thing.
Yeah, exactly like New York. Man, that happened to us every day in February. We got stopped out and then it just went.
Yeah. At least this month is not as bad as February.
Yeah.
I don't know, Abe. Some people might be worse.
Yeah, you might be right. Because of risk management.
Yeah. Because I don't remember Edwin like breaking, you know, having to take a break last time. So this time must be even worse.
I mean, according to what he said because the losses has been too much, he's just gonna wait until August 1st. Is that first for back-to-back losses? How are you doing,
Well, I'd like something to go up and make some money because I just paid the payment on our holiday accommodation. So come on, trading. I need to put that back in my bank account.
Man, this is going to be the first payout date I've missed. I think, unless I can make 6% today, I'm not getting paid out tomorrow.
Damn.
Which is fine. But I'm just not. Even if I just do 0.1, I'm holding on to this one. I'm not losing this account. No.
Has anyone got paid out for Top Step? Not in the group. No.
Definitely not me. Wow. Oh,
no, not yet.
Crystal got a payout.
No. You know, I basically completed past 150k account, passed, and another 150k passed, and got funded, and basically blew them.
Man.
Basically blew them. I've literally just got funded on a 50k one yesterday, and I'm like, oh my gosh, and I don't know, my psychology's got better.
I'm telling you, like, I passed top step. I blew it. Pretty much, I think 2 weeks after I got funded.
Yeah.
Alpha Futures got funded. Blew it. Just yesterday. Asia session trade, I blew it.
Literally, I've just got funded on the 50k with top step, and I'm like, okay, well, I've got to do things differently. I've got to maybe do micros or minis or something, because it's like,
the crazy part is I didn't change anything. I didn't go
like,
crazy.
Too
was
confident.
Just not working out.
And I worked out I do just one lot. That's it. If I've got 50k, if I've got 100k, I've got to do 2 max, and then 150 3 max, and that's it. And in fact, that's based on just, you know, experience, but I wouldn't suggest anyone else doing. But yeah, I can't believe it. Like, I've got to be able to get some money out of these accounts. I can't be doing this, man.
It happens. As long as I don't blow my own capital, I'm good.
It's interesting because I opened up, I think it was Pepperstone. I don't know if you know UK broker Pepperstone.
They're Aussie. I'm with them too.
Right, yeah, I've got a Pepperstone account with them, and I just put a 1k in there. And I was up, like 500 in profit. And I was like, and now I'm down to like 800. Just closed the position.
Okay.
Like, damn, I need to not go this account.
With your Pepperstone, I get like 1 to 30.
David has joined the meeting.
Sorry.
Is that what you have as well? Do you have 1 to 30?
Say that again. Sorry.
Yeah, your leverage with Pepperstone, is it 1 to 30?
Yeah, 1 to 30. Yeah.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Yeah. Let me just double check that.
Gold is literally doing nothing. Like, are you gonna get out of this range, or what are you gonna do, man?
News, FOMC. It's horrible day. I'm thinking next year, guys, let's take February and July off.
Well, I hate to tell you, but I can distinctly remember last year us making comment how bad August was.
Oh, damn.
Faye, why would you say that?
Yes.
Faye. What? Oh, Faye, man. Why would you bring your August now?
Well, I was just thinking
terrible.
It was the volume was dreadful, and I mean, not that it's great now, but it was really, really bad because we kept saying that it was all due to the UK, timing of the holidays and stuff like that.
Hold on, August, wasn't that the time when Russia and Ukraine went to war last year?
No.
Wasn't it
I think
that
was
time?
I think it was like maybe like a month or two after. Yeah, like October-ish.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So the war was in October.
Yeah.
October was good though.
That's because it was so bullish, October, just one direction.
I can just remember us hanging out for September to start to get rid of August. So let's hope this August is a little bit better.
Man, August,
man.
August has to be better, man. No. I refuse.
It has to be better.